Yeah, nigga.
Lucas.
Fuck is up? If you ain't bought that money, tell me what you're talking about. Cause I don't understand shit coming out your mouth. I'm trying to get it in, I'm trying to make a dollar. If you ain't talking cash, then NATO or holler. I ain't got time for that bullshit petty talk. You trying to do a song, you gotta pay the cost. I'm reppin' me now, don't make me pull them things out. Until you get touch, I'm smoking in the meanwhile. I'm trying to calm down, cause I see dollar signs at the end of the road, so don't follow mines. You getting in the way of me getting paid. Now that's a fucked up day. Let me get my K. These niggas always running their mouth. Fuck what they say. Don't make me run in their fucking house. Find where they lay. I'm on another level, nigga, doing my flap dance. Flapping all the motherfucking time, nigga, whack mans. Cause he ran his ass off at the Pac-Man. I could give a fuck, nigga, I'm the Pac-Man. What they wanna do, I'm stacked in the back, man. Stacked with these choppers and these motherfucking Max, fam. Nigga, relax, man. You can clap down. Bring it back, man. Rewind the beat, motherfucker. Then I slap it again, cause I be on some other shit. Nigga, what wouldn't I be ripping? Nigga be steady be talking that shit, but yo, what bustin' they fucking lippin'? Niggas who slippin', cause I ain't really slippin'. I steady be fucking trippin', nigga. Make me poppin' and clippin'. Niggas really don't want the motherfucking war with me, boy. Cause I be a motherfucking hit banger. Yeah, I settle scores. I'm coming from the black bottom, and plus I'm making noise. Nigga, don't make me make that phone call and call up all my boys. Bring up all the